Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Today already started, not as planned. I am going to pick up a truck. I have no idea what kind of truck I'm picking up. It's Andy's truck. And all he told me was grab a jump box. Battery's dead. So we ran a few errands this morning and stopped by home to drop off groceries and whatnot. And I couldn't find my jump box. I have no idea where it's at. So we're going to the lot right now, and hopefully the jump box is in one of the cars. I honestly don't remember taking it, but then again, I have been sick and a lot of days are super fuzzy in my mind. So yeah, I have no idea where my jump box is. But I did grab some jumper cables. I think they're like 4 gauge or 6 gauge, so pretty thick jumper cables. And we got this V8. So hopefully, if I don't find my jump box, we will still be able to jump start the truck and pick it up. But first, stopping by the lot, and then we're gonna go have some lunch. We're gonna go get pho. I've never had pho, but it's fun to say pho. And we're gonna give it a try. Say what you said. Say what you said.
You're so funny.
Look at this mattress. I feel like the thing is just gonna take off. As soon as one of those things breaks, gone. Made it to the lot. I have no idea if I have the jump box in one of those cars. But let's go find out. Maybe one of them will have it. Open sesame. Okay. This is Andy's Mini. That definitely won't have it. Let's peek. How can I peek in here without actually opening it? Nope, I don't see it in this one. So, yeah, shoot, I don't know. I feel like I drove this car. Nope. Okay, if I find it, we will resume. I found it! There it is! It was in the Sentra. I have no idea why it was here. Sweet. Okay, leave the rest of them alone. We have made it to the place. Not really in this area too often, but they have pretty good reviews. And again, we're gonna try pho for the first time. We'll see. Hi, Chloe. You want me to take you? Okay. Pho, Oregon. What a name. Pho? Oops. Vietnamese beef noodle soup. Let's take a look. Okay, I'm gonna look through it. Little girl got a stain at Costco from one of their samples. This is what the place kind of looks like. That's what I said. She doesn't want any more. You guys are getting Chloe overload today. The first order is here. Believe it or not, guys, I did not order pho. Because we were thinking, what would she have? Because she is a foodie at heart. We figured rice would be best, so I actually got chicken fried rice, and we'll share this because it's a massive bowl. I feel like it's the size of my head. Definitely bigger than her head. The colors though look so great. I got my gangster spoon. I want to try the broth. She tried it. She said it was bomb. I was going to try it, but then rice got here. This is plum sauce right here, which I absolutely love. Yum yum. Alright, let's try the fried rice. Tastes fresh. Tastes really good. Okay, now let's try the pho broth. That is good. Wow. That has so much flavor, but so light. Dang. That is good. Out of the 3 kids that we have, this is the #1 foodie. Yummy? Yeah, it's super good. Guys, no lie, that was so satisfying. That was honestly delicious. What do you think, babe?
10 out of 10, recommend.
10 out of 10, you hear that? No, it was really good. And we got a massive thing for leftovers for tonight. Belly is full with food. Although, to be honest, guys, I feel like I would have more right now. But we're going to Gresham Auto Wrecking, pick up that pickup truck that I have no idea what it is. Showed up to Gresham Auto Wrecking, and the man himself, Andy, is here. So let's grab the jump box and go find him, because I have no idea where he's at. Well, this is his car. Picked this up. Pretty good price. Hybrid, 2012, I think. And we are picking up a Silverado, which I see right there, crew cab. So my guess is this is probably it. Oh, I hope that dog is friendly. Andy saved me. Oh, he's chained up. I love dogs, but man, I know those things are hecka territorial. So apparently he left his Cayenne and took a Honda somewhere, but his employees confirmed that that's the Silverado I need to grab. So let's try to jump start it and get this thing moving. Very odd placement of the battery clamps. I mean, might as well check everything. Seems fine. Main thing is so that we have oil. Ooh, that's hecka dark. Maybe I'll do an oil change. That's pretty good. Okay. Yeah, but the engine oil is filthy. Okay, let's see if the key's inside and if we could get this thing started. 2005. Okay, let's see if he'll start. Oh, that sounds nice. Maybe we could take this off. Look at that. Almost out of gas too. The check engine light is on and service 4x4. Whatever that means. So it's set in 2. I want to know how to clear these messages. All these new cars, everything is different about them. So you almost have to like relearn all the buttons and everything else. I'll figure it out. Would you look at that? Hit this button, message is gone. 163. How do we clear that? There we go. Oops. Trip, engine hours. There we go. I think we could start heading out. Okay, we are off. We're going to my parents' house. Kids are there. And then going to go home. So the challenge I have right now is on the way here. So this area is called like Rockwood or something like that. I saw 4 cop cars within quarter mile, if that, probably even less. And this truck, the plates are expired by 6 or 7 months. They expired, I believe, May of 2019. I have my dealer plate, which is good, but I don't want to get pulled over. So I guess we'll see what's gonna happen. And once I get to my parents' house, grab a screwdriver, take off the old plates and slap my dealer plate. So I just gotta make it a few miles. Seems to be running pretty good. Like, engine is strong, but it has a kick, a slight kick when going into 2nd and 3rd gear. See, it should have switched. That was a pretty good switch, as in no kick, but it was kind of delayed in my opinion. I had to stop by get some gas. I put 20 bucks in it. Now let's see if you guys will see the kick. Nope, that was actually pretty good, surprisingly. And I found out that this thing has heated seats. So I'm thinking this is the LTZ. I believe that's the highest class for a Chevy. I mean, it's a really nice truck. Leather, seems to be in pretty darn good shape. Andy actually said he has a stock radio for this thing that he'd like to put in. And we'll just have to figure out what's up with the check engine light. Maybe it's something as easy as a sensor or whatnot. But that will have to wait until I get home, which looks like I will get home. Alternator's working good. Temps are good. Oil pressure is good. Everything is good about it. So I think for now, let's get to my parents' house. I'll kind of show you guys the inside and do a quick walk around, and then we're gonna end this video. But as you can see, we are already starting to lose daylight, although the day is getting longer now, but still closer to 5 o'clock, it will get dark. Made it to my parents' house. Nice tires. They don't have too much life left in them. There's some damage right here. The exhaust sounds so nice. I don't know if the camera will catch it. Engine seems to be running really, really well. No real damage aside from that. Maybe just a slight cleanup. Z71 off-road. So I do believe that this is top of the line package. Got some headphones for whatever reason back here. I'll need to clean that up. Just minor stuff. Maybe put a new battery in it. So since we made it and I showed you guys what it looks like, let's roll the window up. Let's kill it. Let's see if it'll start on its own. Look at that. Battery's good and everything. Service 4-wheel drive. Maybe that's why the check engine light is on. Who knows? Guys, thank you so much for joining today's adventures. Today was a really good day. I really liked the pho. I think that was a highlight for today, which I really enjoyed. But thank you for watching. I hope you stick around. I hope you give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section below, and I hope you subscribe. See you guys in another video. Take care.